Hi, it's Pip here from queenpipcards.com. Welcome to my very quick video to show you how to add a host code to your order when I ask you to for specific reasons. Normally it's for a special offer that I have going, or you might be actually working with a hostess or host and they would like you to add a host code to your order so that you can help them achieve their goals. So let's first of all chat about how to do that. First of all, make sure you're shopping with me. So you should see my face and my name up here. And then you should just start shopping. So let's just dive in. Let's just add in some savings at the moment. We've got some special offers on. So you can find something in English. We can just quick shop that, add that to basket. And then maybe you want to buy something else. So we'll quick shop that, add that. If you want to know more details about the product, you can obviously jump in, go to the actual product itself, read all the detail, show more here, see everything about it, and then you can add it to basket. So supposing you've added those three things to your basket. When you go to look at your basket, you will see here up at the top, it says shopping with Pip Topman, and then there's a little thing underneath called add host code. That's actually a link. When you click it, a little box appears, and then you can add in your host code. Okay, so just type in your host code or copy and paste it from anything that I've sent you and hit the pink apply. This will now put the host code up there. And as you start to go through and check out, you can sign in or you can do it as a guest checkout. It's up to you. And then as you go through to checkout, it will tell you right down here, the order is associated with host code KYX, blah, 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 okay, which is linked to this demonstrator. So that's what you need to check for, make sure that's okay. You can put in your different shipping options, add your payment, all that kind of stuff, and then you can continue. I'm not going to do that. I don't want to actually put in an order with myself right now. So I'm going to go back home. So that's how you choose and put in your host code. So if you're doing something with me and I say, could you please add this host code to get your special offers? That's what you need to do. Thanks ever so much for watching today, and I will see you again soon. Take care for now. Bye-bye.